Hello YouTubers, you're watching this do-it-yourself channel, and today we have 2019 Ford Escape, and we will be doing transfer case fluid change. We just did the transmission, so we are doing transfer case and then rear differential. So to get to this point, there will be one shield, belly shield, with T30 all the way around. Drop that, and there will be a tiny shield at the back with two T30. Drop that off, and now you have nice and clear access to your transfer case. So for the transfer case, there is a level plug and drain plug, both T30. So we will start with that. Alright, so you always want to start with the fill plug to make sure that you can remove it, because if you drain the fluid and that one doesn't come off for some reason, then you're screwed. So that this one is coming off nicely, so we will get that removed. And you can see the fluid is coming out, which is expected. Perfect. We just confirmed that it is leveled now. I guess it's important to note that the vehicle needs to be leveled for this job. So actually, I'm curious if it's even T50. Oh, it is T50. So we have oil catch tray below. We will drain the fluid. And here you're looking for the magnet and all the crap on that magnet, and this has lots and lots of shaving. So at this point it's important to see if there is anything coarse, like bigger chunks, and I cannot feel those. But yeah, this is first transfer case fluid change. Vehicle has 75,000 kilometers on it, and it definitely is overdue. So don't keep it till 70,000. Many manufacturers recommend to change it every like 30 or 50,000 kilometers. So don't go over 50. Same, this has a little bit of garbage on it, but not too bad. So we'll clean those out and we will fill this up. Okay, so the fluid is drained by now. Now we'll just reinstall our plug. There is no gaskets, washers, or thread sealant. It's like compressor fitting, and you want to torque it to 33 foot-pounds. That's what it is. Alright, so for the fluid we are using Pennzoil 75W140. So this is GL5 gear oil. That's what is recommended, and we use this transfer pump / syringe. It barely fits into the fill plug, so I might need to get an adapter for it, but we will try to fill it this way. It might start dripping. It's not a big deal. We have a few droplets, but majority of the fluid is coming in. And since this is the fill and leveling hole, so we will put fluid until we can see that it's coming out consistently. So this is one full syringe, and I think that was more than enough. So you can see that excessive fluid is coming out right now. So it took just about a half of that bottle, which is half of the liter. Now when you think about the volume of the fluid for this job, it's very little amount, so that fluid gets cooked really fast, being just behind in the middle of transmission engine and exhaust sitting on top of it. So 33 foot-pounds torque for the fill and drain plug, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check the description for all the links for parts and tools. And as always, just do it yourself.